Hey guys, today I'll show you the unboxing of the OnePlus 9 5G. Let's open the box. First, we have the phone. OnePlus 9 5G comes with a punch hole display. The phone has a 48 megapixel triple camera setup. You can also see OnePlus logo at the back of the phone. The phone looks premium in this winter mist color. Next, we have this box. Inside the box, you can see the SIM ejector tool, documentation like a safety information guide, SAR value information, OnePlus stickers, and Red Cable Club card. Here is a transparent back cover which will protect your phone. Next is a USB Type-C cable for charging the phone, a 2-pin wall charger that supports 65 watts of fast charging. So guys, that's all you get inside the OnePlus 9 5G box. Thank you so much for watching this video.